Water is one of the most powerful forces of nature, capable of carving, eroding, and transforming the surface of the earth. Water can act as a liquid, a solid, or a gas, and each state has its own effects on the landscape. As a liquid, water flows through rivers, streams, and groundwater, creating valleys, canyons, and caves. For example, the Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA, is one of the most spectacular examples of how water can erode and sculpt the land over millions of years. Water can also transport sediments such as sand, gravel, and clay, and deposit them in different locations, forming deltas, beaches, and sand dunes. For example, the Nile Delta in Egypt is one of the largest and most fertile deltas in the world, formed by the accumulation of sediments from the Nile River. Water can also dissolve minerals and rocks, creating distinctive features such as karst landscapes, sinkholes, and stalactites. For example, the Carlsbad Caverns in New Mexico, USA, are a complex system of caves and chambers, formed by the dissolution of limestone by acidic water. As a solid, water freezes into ice, forming glaciers, ice caps, and icebergs. Ice can exert tremendous pressure on the land, scraping and plucking rocks and sediments, and leaving behind glacial landforms such as moraines, drumlins, and eskers. For example, the Matterhorn in Switzerland is a famous mountain peak, shaped by the erosion of glaciers. Ice can also melt and refreeze, causing frost wedging and creating cracks and fissures in rocks. For example, the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is a unique formation of hexagonal basalt columns caused by the cooling and cracking of lava. As a gas, water evaporates into the atmosphere, forming clouds, fog, and precipitation. Water can also condense on the surface, forming dew, frost, and snow. Water can affect the climate and weather patterns, influencing the temperature, humidity, and wind. For example, the monsoon in Asia is a seasonal wind system, driven by the difference in temperature and pressure between the land and the ocean, bringing heavy rainfall and flooding. Water can also cause erosion and weathering by rain, hail, and snow, and create landforms such as waterfalls, gullies, and hoodoos. For example, the Angel Falls in Venezuela is the highest waterfall in the world, dropping from a height of 979 meters. As you can see, water is a versatile and dynamic agent of change, constantly reshaping the landscape in various ways. Water is also essential for life, providing habitats and resources for many living organisms. Water is truly a fascinating and powerful element of nature. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check out our other videos on fascinating geography topics.